Several farmers' bodies have called for a Bharat Bandh today to protest against the three agri reforms bills which were passed in Parliament during the monsoon session. With both the ruling Congress and opposition AAP as well as NDA ally SAD supportive of the farmers' agenda, the Bandh is likely to be total in Punjab. As many as 31 farmer organizations have joined hands for the Punjab Bandh. Several organizations in Haryana, including the Bharatiya Kisan Union, said they had extended support to the Bandh called by farmer bodies. In fact, Railways has said they have cancelled 13 pairs of trains in Punjab for today, and farmer bodies from UP, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra have also planned agitations. Well, let's go across to Ghazali now for more on what's happening on the ground. And already, Ghazali, farmers are sitting out in protest on railway tracks as well. And in Punjab, at least, it's expected to be a near total bandh.
Yeah, Punjab will certainly see a complete bandh. I'm right now in Hall Bazaar in Amritsar, and what you can see right now, the shops haven't opened, and those who have opened it also are saying that they will close it because the farmers will. There are many political parties who will also hold protest march in Amritsar. Apart from that, the farmer union, many farmers, even the female members of the farmers union will come in these areas asking people to shut down their shops, close their shops, or whatever arrangements are open here will be asked to shut down. And why this is happening, we have told our viewers that how farmers are opposing these new farm laws, and this is going to intensify further because they drive their entire inspiration from previous agitations in Punjab. In many cases, farmers have forced government to withdraw certain laws earlier in Punjab, certain projects of land acquisition. So this is going to intensify further. And from the government, what we have heard is that the union government is trying to address these issues in 7 states, including Union Territory of Chandigarh, that they want to campaign in these states, asking farmers or trying to teach farmers that how these laws are beneficial to them. So in no sense it looks that the government is going to soften its stand on the new farm laws, while the very first condition of the farm union is that they want the government to withdraw these bills. So somehow it is going to increase, the agitation will increase in other parts of Punjab, Haryana and those states where farmers are in numbers. So even in Haryana, the farm union have agreed that it will be complete shutdown. They'll come out on highways, they'll go into the interior areas of every district asking people to shut down their operations due to this bandh.
Right, Ghazali, as you're telling us, the BJP is launching a 15 days awareness campaign on the farmers bill, and they're saying that farmers are being led astray, they're misunderstanding that there's no plan to withdraw MSP, and so they're really doubling down, as you said, on the farm bills. And clearly, as farmers want that there should be some sort of understanding on the government's part, some sort of guarantees. That's not that doesn't seem like it will happen.
Yeah, certainly. Actually, in Punjab, we have been reporting that how in rural areas, even flex and posters have come up. Farmers are going around asking villagers to boycott the leaders and workers of BJP. Even in the parliamentary constituency of Harsimrat Kaur Badal, they have prepared a list of workers and leaders associated with BJP asking for their social boycott. And in that sense, how BJP will go out to sort of create awareness, how they will hold interaction with farmers, that will be a bigger challenge for them. At least in Punjab, because all the parties except the BJP is seen standing behind the farmers over these farm laws. Even Akali Dal, their ally, though they have pulled out of the cabinet, but still the alliance exists. And yesterday, Harsimrat Kaur Badal and Sukhbir Badal, they have launched an agitation against these farm laws, saying that they will go along with farmers in asking union government to either withdraw the bill or at least negotiate with farmers. So in Punjab, at least we can surely say that in those rural pockets where these agitations are going strong or where farm unions hold a strong sway, there the BJP will have to have a bigger challenge to convince farmers or at least sort of create awareness campaign, because BJP is going to launch it in 7 states, but surely in Punjab and Haryana they'll face stiff resistance when they hold any interaction with farmers on the new laws.